Hello and welcome everyone. So in today's episode we're going to take a look at LTC USD, which is the price of Litecoin quoted in US dollar. Now, so far we've been having a very green day today, both in the Asian Pacific session and in the European session. The US dollar is trading, the dollar index is trading down today, and the yields are down 3.6%, which sent the price of equities, commodities, and cryptos higher. Especially cryptos, they're having a very good day so far today. So if you take a look at Litecoin, for example, so Litecoin in the weekly chart, this is the weekly chart of Litecoin. As you can see, we had a very big bull run, in a very sharp bull run. If you compare it to Bitcoin, for example, Bitcoin, the bull took a little bit of time, but Litecoin was faster, it was quicker, it was lagging probably. So if the Bitcoin bull run started around here, Litecoin was lagging a bit, and then it moved in a straight line forward. So this is good. This is very important to notice, because right now we are trading below the all-time highs. The all-time closing on a monthly basis, all-time closing highs are on around 292 US dollars, and we're still below that. And this is very rare that we having, basically Litecoin is very lagging compared. We have Litecoin and we have Dash, which we'll cover in another episode. Dash as well. If you take a look at the weekly chart in Dash, Dash is very lagging compared to others. Like, look, the all-time highs are around the thousands, and we're still at 234. So if you take a look at Litecoin, and right now we have the target of 292. This is a very important target to keep in mind. Now there is the all-time highs, which are around, take a look here, the all-time highs are around 370. However, this level is a very strong level because it's the highest monthly close, monthly and weekly, both monthly and weekly close around here. So keep that in mind, really bear that in mind. This is a very important level to watch for. There's this level, and then there is this small level here as well. So this area here around the 278 to 292 is a very important level to watch for. Now let's take a look at the Litecoin in the daily chart. On the daily chart, as you can see, this EMA here has done a 55 EMA has done a very good job at keeping the prices up, and the price did correct and U-turned around this EMA here. Here we had a small fake out, but still the prices did fail to go below it. Now, which means, so we talked in our previous videos about how you can take these pullbacks and profit out of these pullbacks, buying these opportunities on the pullbacks. Now, you can use the Fibonacci retracement like we did in our previous videos, or you can use the EMA as well. The 55 EMA on the daily is a very strong EMA. However, you can use both as well. You can combine both. If you get a level that is at the EMA and the Fibonacci retracement, then this is a very strong level to watch for. So I would advise you to use both. Personally, I do use both. Now, so the level to watch for here, if you take a look, because we already had what seems like a bottom here. So if you take a look at the previous, we're gonna use the Fibonacci expansions to get an idea of what to expect, what next target to expect for. Now this is the previous leg up. As you can see, the previous leg up here, if we start it around here, the previous leg up, it gave us around this target of 250. Now we came very close to that target. So this is very important to keep that in mind. You know, when you place your take profit, don't place it like on top of the target. You can place it just a little bit underneath to secure your profit. Sure, you can have a little bit less profit, but at least you would have a secured one. Now let's take a look at these waves here, and we can notice and find out what to expect next, which target to expect next. Now, if you take a look at the Fibonacci expansions, well, the first target is the all-time highs, of course. Right now, the very important level to watch for is the daily recent all-time highs, which are around 240. Now these 240 level, if we go up and we do take these this 240 level and we start to going even further, the next level to watch for is the 285, and the next level is 361, and this is a very strong level. And you see this level of 285, if we go back to the weekly chart, 285 is around this target. So this is a very important level to watch for as well. If we do take over this area, now that's where Litecoin can go parabolic and we can have these quick moves that we had here. Now also, this is the first scenario they could play. Also keep in mind that we still can go below. It's improbable, but it still can happen. So really keep in mind that any dip or close with an acceleration below this EMA 55 EMA here would be first bearish signal for Litecoin. So really keep that in mind. Now, since we talk a lot about, we compare Bitcoin to other cryptos because Bitcoin is the leading crypto, for example, as you can see the all-time highs here, and Bitcoin is trading way above the all-time highs. So we're going to take a look at Litecoin BTC, which is the Litecoin to Bitcoin ratio. This is the weekly chart. And as you can see here, it's very interesting. As you can see, the Litecoin to Bitcoin ratio is trading at an all-time low, which means that Litecoin right now is very cheap compared to Bitcoin, is very undervalued compared to Bitcoin. And this is something really interesting because if we do repeat the same scenario that happened in 2017 where we had this slingshot move up, this is a very bullish signal for Litecoin, because in order for the Litecoin to Bitcoin ratio to go up, we either have the first scenario where Litecoin has to go up or Bitcoin has to come down, or both. Or also they can both go up, however Litecoin would be faster in the bull than Bitcoin. And this is what, if you go back to the weekly chart here, explains what happened in 2017. In 2017 we were lagging, but then in 4 weeks we had a move of, this is 4 weeks. 4 weeks we had, let's see how much, we had a move of almost 400% in 4 weeks. This is very, very interesting opportunity if it does play the same way that it did in 2017. So really watch for the Litecoin to Bitcoin ratio. Right now it's an all-time high and all-time low. The next level to watch for is the 0075. This is the level to watch for, the next level to watch for. And then after that it would be the highs here of 0015. And then if we do take the 0.15, the 0.02 is going to be next. And these are the all-time highs. These are the levels that if we do reach these targets, it means that we've completed these parabolic moves around here. So this is it, guys. This was Litecoin. And if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. All right, see you.